Well, you know, I got that interview tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna take a nap.
Whatever, dude. You know you ain't gonna get that job. Stupid.
You're such a kidder. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Nighty-night, fuckface. Dumbass.
Now, Van, I need to sleep. I gotta sleep for this interview. Van, come on.
Just fucking with you, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna try to go to sleep one more time. What are you doing?
Oh, was you sleeping, dude?
I told you I was taking a nap. Now, goddammit, this is serious.
I was just seeing if you was hungry, dude.
It's okay this time, but I need my beauty rest.
Alright, dude. I'll let you get back to sleep.
Why did you do that?
I don't know, dude. It looked like he was having a bad dream, man. So, there you go.
I was asleep. I just fallen asleep.
Hey, dude. Hey, rent's due tomorrow.
What?
Rent's due tomorrow. Alright, dude. Go back downstairs, drink some beer, watch TV. I want you to keep it down. Don't go crying. Rent's due tomorrow.
I already paid you!
Tom mentioned Maxwell Destruction, winning a record.
Sweet! Monster Jam! Fuck yeah, that's my shit. Woo! Yeah! Fireman! Yeah! Sweet! Woo! Woo! Sweet! Sweet! Oh shit! my god. Oh man! Yeah! Oh, you wrecked!
Please shut up.
You wrecked, man! Oh! Yeah! Whoa! 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 Yeah! Whoa! 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 Yeah! Whoa! 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 Woo! Monster Jam! Yeah! Smash that shit! Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Time for my type of jam session.
Let's get it started.
Oh God!
Till it's burned out, turn it till it's turned out. Act up from Northwest East Side.
It's better. Everything's clean and quiet now. Oh well, I've got to get to sleep. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.